Am I taller than you?
No.
I am?
No, you're not. Why are you saying,
It's so
why are you telling lies?
Alright, so today we're gonna do a what's it called? Seafood boil. Just shrimp, sausage, potatoes, and corn. And I have a special guest. You guys seen her before in my last video, or an old video. It's Chelsea. She said she's awkward in front of the camera, which it kind of is a little bit, and it's super hot. I just finished cooking all of this, so we're just gonna like dig in. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start eating. Oh, and we're drinking margaritas, which I just spilled part of mine.
And I have rice.
Oh yeah, she has rice. Hopefully you like it.
Because I'm Asian.
Oh, you want a fork too?
No, this is fine. This is fine.
I probably should get a plate too. Because like, where am I gonna be like, am I gonna be held in there? I probably should do that, okay. Let me get a plate, sorry.
I'll take some
Oh, sorry.
Where'd she go?
Go ahead, start eating.
No, I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wow, this looks so good. Smells good too.
It does smell really good. I hope I didn't overcook it. It's my first time. It's my first time making seafood boil like this, or should I say shrimp, because that's all that is in here. But yeah, we'll see.
Wow.
Okay. Dang, she was Mukbang or whatever.
Ooh, how is it? How is it?
It's a little salty. I probably should have not gone so ham on the seasonings, but it's peeling off nice. I heard that if it peels off good, that means it's not overcooked. At least that's what I heard.
I don't think it's salty at all.
Nope.
Wow. She a chef.
I try. I need a fucking bib because I will spill. So we're gonna eat a little bit and then maybe we'll ask like questions or something.
Yes, but I'm gonna eat with my hands.
Yeah, go ahead, go in.
It's hot though.
Really? Oh, yeah, the potatoes should be hot. Okay, I'm like officially gonna probably go broke because I'm probably gonna buy
this all the time.
Yeah, I think. Or I'm gonna die of a heart attack because this is hella butter.
Yeah.
Hella butter, dude. I've never cooked with so much butter.
But wow.
This
is wow.
It was fucking good, dude. Okay, I'm gonna try the
boiling crab goo. I like how it's
Rocky
spicy. What did you put in it that was spicy?
that Tony Chachere's. I had the same one, but I had a bold one.
Oh.
So I think it was like spicier or whatever.
I really like dipping mine in the sauce.
Sausage. These are Evergood hot links, I believe. What's a potato? Hot as fuck.
Mine's taking a bath.
Soaking it up.
Wow. Do you see that steam?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Prepare for some savage eating because you can't eat this cute. This is not a first date type of meal.
And I
This is
shoved
like-
stuff in my face.
And holes over your belly.
You look so happy.
He's like, yes, drop something. Oh my god, it's so fucking good. I'm so happy. I've like never been so.
Josh is not gonna eat this.
I know. I can't believe he doesn't like shrimp. Well, he doesn't like seafood that much. Do you think they're overcooked? The shrimp?
No.
Okay, good.
I don't know.
I can't really tell the
I don't know.
difference
But I
either.
think it's good. Yummy.
When you go, do you want to get shrimp or do you get some other seafood?
Just shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else is hell expensive. I don't think they are. I wonder if anyone gets anything else.
Last time I wanted to get king crab legs.
That's hella expensive, right?
It's like 30 bucks a pound, dude. Is that my phone or is that your phone vibrating? That's you getting the
But
phone.
we're mukbanging, so.
It's your boyfriend?
You know what? Yeah. It is my boyfriend.
It's babe.
Why is he calling me so many times? Cut this out, okay?
I will.
I'm gonna call this
Lemon on top of it, it's fucking bomb. Ow, I just squeezed. Ow, that's hot. Ow.
Like, why are you asking me if you food? I'm so much do I know? I'm here.
Lovely relationships. Did you guys love it? We should talk about relationships.
Really?
Say
You
like
want
that.
to? I guess we can. What do you want to know?
The tea, sis, the tea. Oh my god.
Men are trash. Period. Say that until my last breath.
You're stupid.
Oh, I'm gonna do it over here so everything can get
It's fucking bomb. I'm so happy.
I am too.
I'm impressed with myself because I honestly was scared. I've never made this shit before. And it actually came out really good. I might like have some heart issues after this, but okay. It's worth it.
It's worth it. I wish I didn't have to eat rice with everything.
I would have too, but I hate grabbing utensils with like dirty hands. So I'm like, I just don't want to deal with that shit right now. And I don't mind eating rice with my hands.
You want some rice?
No, I'm good. Is it good? I made that yesterday because I made burrito bowls. Like I made like copycat Chipotle burrito bowls.
Wow, bitch. You know you're cooking.
I know, dude. Oh, I didn't even take a picture for Instagram.
I took a picture.
Oh, you did? Okay. I want one.
So how's quarantine? What's new?
I didn't tell you.
What?
I'm going back to work.
Oh, you did? How is it?
No, I'm going.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I'm going back June 8th.
June 8th.
Yeah, so next, not this week coming up, but the next.
Are you sad? Are you sad or happy? Excited?
I'm like bittersweet because I don't know. I was enjoying being home all the time and like just chilling, to be honest.
Yeah. When I went back to the office, I was excited, and then I'm there, and I'm like, ugh.
You're all kind of back
I
home.
miss going to work.
But the whole time you were home, so was your man, huh?
Yeah, unfortunately.
No, but for real, like it's hard to be around them 24/7. Like you
And
need your
working.
space.
Yeah.
Like people need their space. I'm just trying to get everything drenched. Hot. How does Joseph make his boils? Does he do it in a sauce like this, or it's just like boiled?
This is more dry.
Yeah, because I've seen some boils where it's like dry and the sauce like on the side.
Like, yeah, there's a little sauce, not too much. I like. Oh,
I've never had it like that, so I don't know.
I like how spicy yours are.
Yes. Spicy is the way, I swear. You can get the. Don't
Like,
worry about
Wow.
the tablecloth.
That's beautiful.
These are
I
beautiful.
don't
Things.
want to eat it.
If you never tried a seafood boil, you're missing out. It's literally the best fucking experience I've ever had. I want Josh to at least try the
Potato.
sausage and a potato. Just so he knows what he's missing out on.
Wow. He doesn't like shrimp, or what is it?
He likes shrimp, but like he doesn't like this. He doesn't like it in like a sauce. He like probably like breaded. Babe, come here.
Aren't you Papa?
A bite.
What is it?
Can't hear you. Hang on. How do you not not dirty yourself. I already got shit on
I
myself.
wear black.
I'm wearing black too. Black stuff blends in. Here, try it. Take this whole bite.
The sausage?
Yes, take this whole bite.
Oh, I will take
These hot links are pretty good. Oops.
They're from Costco.
Wow.
Are these the ones we got from Costco?
Yeah. Are they good? You want a
That
shrimp?
Sauce. I want a potato.
You like the sauce?
Are good?
Yeah, the sauce is dope.
What? I get surprised when you like stuff.
This is hella basic.
You should try a shrimp.
Are good? You want shrimp?
You want me to try shrimp?
Yeah,
sure.
here.
Join our mukbang.
Let me do it for you because I have to suck the head. That's
No,
what she
let's not do
said.
that on camera.
Dang, you like it. He likes it. You go went in for seconds.
Wow.
Here, I'm gonna drench it for you.
Dude, the sauce. The
sauce is
so
bomb.
good.
Mm-hmm. So I told her.
Told you, you didn't
Thank
need
you
that
guys. You
Old
guys are
Bay.
nice. I put the Old Bay in there.
Oh, I brought some.
She brought them.
Oh,
Yeah,
Chelsea saved the day.
she really did.
Mm.
She came
You
through.
did.
It's good.
I don't like
You were
shrimp
supposed
really
to
at
eat
all.
the tail.
Really?
What?
Why?
I used to really like shrimp, but I had some bad shrimp one day. And you know how like you have it in your head
All
that
shrimp
every time
cuisines
you
like
eat,
that?
every time you eat the shrimp, you have that in your head. I don't know. I just can't eat shrimp now. I love lobster
I'm
though.
sorry.
Yeah, he loves lobster.
I honestly never had lobster.
Really? I was gonna buy some too.
Yeah.
Never.
It was 4 tails for $50 at Costco.
It was so weird because one day I had never had lobster and I thought, I wonder how lobster tastes. So I ordered it. Oh my god.
Best thing ever.
Even bad lobster is still pretty good.
It's
Yeah.
so lobster.
Bad lobster as in rotten?
No, like, I'm talking about like lobster from Outback Steakhouse or something.
That's not
Oh,
good.
you mean like not quality,
Like,
not good quality.
Yeah.
Outback?
Like
Outback
bad?
is not good.
I don't know. I don't care for Outback.
It's alright. It's good food, but it sure
It's not like
ain't
Red
worth what you
Lobster.
pay for it.
Why are you so aggressive with
I
that?
know.
Can
You
I
like
have
it?
a paper towel?
Mm-hmm.
I want to help you, but
I'll stay out of your video.
Sorry. We're a little
Okay
preoccupied
guys,
here.
I'll let y'all.
Alright, I just wanted you to try it.
Yeah, thank you. That was delicious.
wow.
I'm glad you liked it.
The sauce makes the whole dish. If it didn't have the sauce, I probably wouldn't like it.
It's true.
Look, I swear.
Oh my goodness.
At the restaurant, you don't have to give you the bibs.
Mm-hmm.
My bib is always fucking covered with bullshit after I'm done.
I'm like getting full.
You are? That was fast. Dang.
Because I'm sober.
It's because you're trying to save room for tequila. How are you supposed to like reheat this? Should I just like put it in the oven?
Yeah, I would, yeah.
Yeah. Should I just like put a foil over it and put it in the fridge?
Yeah, I said the best, because if you microwave it, I feel like
Yeah.
it's all like,
Soggy, like not good.
yeah, I would oven it. I don't know, I never have leftovers. I usually have a
I thought
lot,
we were gonna do some damage,
like,
bro.
I usually have a lot more people eating.
That's true. I got 3 pounds. You had 3 pounds of shrimp. I usually eat 1 pound by myself.
Yeah, the fuck?
This is how the shrimp live. And you're full.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
You're not gonna eat all this. We're probably not gonna eat all of it. Let's do a little bit more damage and then we can drink and answer some fucking questions, okay?
Guys, ask us questions.
No, not from the viewers. Did last time when you were on, did we do questions?
No.
Okay. Then we'll do
I
that.
don't know.
I don't remember either. I don't remember either.
Look at her, his mom.
Sorry. Sorry, sir.
His icy.
Let me burp. Excuse me.
She did that.
How's your quarantine going? If it's going anywhere.
It's going nowhere. It's whatever. It's fine. whatever.
How's Jayla? Does she care? She's like going crazy.
She does care. She's left the house, I want to say twice during the quarantine.
Really?
3 times,
So that's
because
like-
we went to KDJ's yesterday. They're leaving to LA today. Or they left already.
To move?
I know. I cried.
Why? Did he get a job or something?
Just I think to be closer to
Their family?
Yeah.
That's where you know them from, or
Most.
you guys were from there, right?
Shout out Orange County.
Did you see Lauren? How's she doing?
Good.
After Lauren, you're missing out. You're full.
No, I'm not.
We can buy breakfast tomorrow.
Wow.
This is so fucking bomb, dude.
Lauren.
I'm getting full too.
What are they? These baby
I know.
potatoes are so cute.
They
Not
are.
the baby potatoes. I went to I forgot where we went to go eat, but I went out with Lauren's mom and her boyfriend, and they were out of like the broccoli, and I had to tell them. So he's like, okay, I'll get the baby potatoes. And they came back, they're like, oh, we're out of the baby potatoes. And he goes, not the baby potatoes. So funny.
Oh my God.
Like, I was dying.
They never out of everything. What's this at?
I forgot where we went.
Ooh,
Somewhere in
recent.
Chico, yeah. No.
Recent?
No, not recent.
Like they're open?
This summer.
I know Napa's open.
Yeah.
Business.
Are you gonna go out once shelter in place is lifted? Are you scared
Part of me, yes, is kind of scared because I just don't want to I know how I am. I'm hella careless. Like, I'm not like a hella germaphobe. Like people wash their hands every 5 hours or 5 minutes and make sure to not touch their face and stuff. Like, especially if I'm drinking, I fucking touch my eyeball, my mouth, my face. So it's like, yes, I want to because I'm so ready to fucking stop being in my house every fucking weekend. But also, I'm scared because I don't want to contract anything.
That's why I come here.
Because if I get coronavirus, I'm probably gonna cry. I'll probably die from anxiety because I just would feel like I'm already gonna die.
But they were saying, when
I'm gonna try this corn.
everyone at my work was sick in December, and we were all sick for hella long. They were saying that was like a
Probably.
version of it.
My aunt was so sick. She had asthma, so she was so sick that for like a month, she had fever, she couldn't breathe, she couldn't walk. It's before Corona was anything.
Yeah, see?
It was in January. And for a whole month, she never went to the doctor. She was just taking like regular cough medicine.
Because she just
And when she was telling me this was like not that long ago. She was like, I'm pretty sure I had coronavirus.
That's just crazy.
I know.
Scary.
I know, but also goes to show we obviously can
We're
beat it,
overreacting.
our immune system. Obviously some people are compromised because they're a little sicker, but obviously our immune system can deal with it.
I agree. Wow, look at that. I want to just do this.
See?
That's delicious. Like that?
The lemon like that? By itself? Oh, you dipped it in the
Dipped
sauce.
in that sauce? Hell yeah, that's a bomb.
I probably look like a crazy person.
Me too.
Babe, you want more?
I'm good.
We did damage though, that
We did. This one, she was full. And when I bought this tray, I'm like, it was probably too big. This was perfect. All right. We can't put anything incriminating in these videos. So we can't put anything incriminating in these videos.
What? Like no coke doing?
No coke?
Like no coke snorting?
Well, that too, but I'm saying about our lives.
Oh, yeah.
I would like you to promote this video on your channel.
Okay, yeah.
So I don't want to incriminate you.
Oh.
Get you caught up, you feel me?
Well, thanks for caring.
Okay, you can start now.
You can start now.
Now you can start now.
No one eats corn pretty.
There's no way. That's why people don't eat corn.
I don't even know if I eat corn correctly.
Well, how wrong could you eat it?
I don't know, sometimes you see those people where it's like the whole thing is off.
Like that. You just gotta dick it down. Like that.
What that mouth
I devour
do.
that shit.
That's what that mouth
That's what that mouth do, okay? If you ever were wondering.
Rewind it. That's what that mouth do.
Okay.
I dropped some corn and he ate it.
That's okay. Go just have corn in his poop now.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that we have done enough damage. This is the aftermath. Are you still gonna eat? Or are you done after that corn?
I was just trying to eat more.
You what?
I was just trying to eat more with you.
Yeah. Because I don't know where the fuck I will put it. That was hella bomb though. And it is spicy. Like the back of my throat has a like ting. So yeah. Did I serve you too much rice?
No. I just started getting full.
I know, because the potato, I feel like it's the potato. It's so good.
Potatoes are, this is, I think, my favorite
Food
part.
alive. Oh yeah, me too. The potato, fuck yeah, and the sausage. My sausage is bomb.
Like, this is everything I love right here.
Me too. Except the corn. I mean, I like corn, but I'm not really like crazy about it. I just thought I'd add it because it's aesthetically pleasing, you know? So, okay, you done? You tapping out? You tapping out. Okay, let's put this stuff over here. I'm just gonna move this over here. I'm not even gonna take it to the kitchen yet. Let it cool down before I put it in the fridge.
Oh my god.
And then we can, you wanna grab the, I don't know if the bottle's cold enough yet.
Oh yeah, there you go. I'm gonna watch me.
Yeah, me too. We'll be BRB. Oh, do something called the best friend tag. I hate calling that. We're just gonna ask questions to each other that we're both gonna have to answer for each other and see how well we know each other. How many times did I say each other there? I said that.
Yeah, that sounds hard.
Oh my god, you don't think you know me?
No,
That's
I don't know.
really
I
rude.
hope.
Espanola, tequila blanco.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us, please.
Duh.
Lemon trees, sponsor us, please.
Salt.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us.
Lady Umbrella salt, sponsor us.
Oh, that's like good salt.
Yeah, that's Lady Umbrella.
I mean, I don't really know any other salt.
There's a song.
Salt.
Oh, Hulk, get your ass out of there. You're the one that keeps partying this shit. Okay. All right, so should we take the shot and then should we commence
Okay,
these words? Okay. Wait, dude, oh, you just gotta do this. You really don't have to lick your hand.
I love myself.
Well, that's positivity right there. Self-love. Oh my god, I put too much.
I'm a mess. As you can tell, I'm a mess. These are huge. These are juicy though.
Yes, these are from these are organic. They were homegrown. Not my home, but someone's home.
Wow, that's all I'm.
Hey, oh wait, no. Mariba.
Añejo.
Añejo. That's a tequila. Oh my god.
Añejo. Jameson.
You're stupid.
Yeah.
You're just naming different liquors. Arriba. Pa abajo.
Abajo.
Oh yeah, okay, again. Arriba. Abajo.
Abajo.
Pa centro.
Pa centro.
Pa dentro.
Derecho.
Tequila is the only alcohol that I can drink with no chase.
Oh.
Well, unless you consider the lemon a chase. Did you make a face?
A tissue?
Yeah, please.
I'm so rude.
It's okay.
Her tissues have lemons on them too. Cute.
Okay, so let's ask the first question. It's basically like dumb questions. So like, how and when did we meet? How long have I known you for?
I don't know like what year it was.
I want to say 2014.
I want to say you're probably right.
You don't even know. It's when was it my first year? When did you start with Autocom? Whenever you started with
I
Autocom.
don't remember.
You don't fucking remember these things?
We can say 2014 for funsies.
How long did you work there? Was it 2018?
3 years.
2018 was your last year there? And you worked there for 3 years?
17 was.
17?
I don't know, you're asking a lot of
Okay, well,
timestamps.
we met at work. We worked at the same place. I think we said that in our last video.
Yeah.
Yeah, which was like maybe, how long? Like 7 years ago? 6 years ago?
I want to know when I worked there now.
Well, I started there 2014. Yeah, so you probably started 2015.
Because I think, yeah, you've been there longer than me. Yeah, 15.
Yeah, I don't know how long I was a cashier when you were there, but whatever. Who cares about the fucking place? But yeah, so we met at our old job, and we're just gonna guess 2015.
I don't recommend going
to
that place.
They're not even like a business anymore. So that's 6 years, right?
Yeah.
2020 from 2015.
Wow, look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us having a relationship.
Period. Period. Okay, what was your first impression of me?
I thought you were so cute, but you were also very mean to me.
I thought, honestly, when we first met, we weren't like the bestest of friends.
Yeah, I was
because
like, damn, this bitch is so rude to me.
I was the lead cashier and she was like working with me, but she never showed up to work. She always called in sick.
I was sick.
She always called in sick, and I always had to cover her shifts, so I would work doubles.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, I mean, I did make a lot of money that year. No, but we weren't friends at first. We were okay. I don't think we hated each other, but
yeah,
it was kind of like whatever. You just worked with me, but whatever.
I was her coworker.
What's your favorite memory together?
Kehlani.
That's
That
a
was
good
fun.
one. That's a good one,
It was
yeah.
a good night.
We went to Kehlani concert. I was fucked up that night though. Like I was really drunk. Not that that's a bad
I wasn't like drunk where like I was embarrassing. Like when we went to her gig. I was fucked up. But
I was fucked up that night too.
I know.
I feel like that night was
I felt like my cousin was like, fuck these bitches. I'm not hanging out
Really?
with them anymore. I don't know.
She probably was over us.
No, cause she hung out with us twice, so she's okay. She likes us.
We're okay. We're enough to at least go
she
to it.
doesn't
She can at least party with us.
completely hate us.
She can at least party with us, right?
What's your favorite memory?
Oh yeah, I would say Kalani too, but also like I think all the times after work, like when we would go out to like a bar or something, like every time.
The first time we went, I think that's when we went to Berkeley.
Yes.
I want to say yeah, it was the first time.
And we got like shit faced. I don't even remember that night.
She ate a whole calzone at the bar.
And I think I ate a hot dog too.
I took home 3 and ate those at home. I did it at the comfort of my own home. And not in public.
And I did it at the bar. I was at the bar just like stuffing my face.
Gypsies in Berkeley. Sponsor us.
Chef's kiss.
That shit.
Yeah, that place is fucking good. But
So good.
yeah, that's probably, I think that's what I missed the most is when we worked in Concord and like just being at work was always hella fun because we would just laugh all day.
Yeah.
And then Leanne would come in and like yell at us. It was funny.
Yeah, we're so
Like there's a lot of laughing going on and not enough work.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry Leanne, if you're watching this, no hard feelings. We love you. Kind of. Cut that out. Okay, what's this? Okay, describe each other in one word. I have mine is like acronym. IDGAF.
Don't give a fuck?
Yeah.
Aww,
You're like an I don't give a fuck person, and I love that because like I feel like a lot of people care what people think about
I feel like you're the same way. I think that's why you get along.
I think so too. Because we're not
people.
like, stop Stop it, you're embarrassing me. Like, we really don't care.
I would say the same for you.
Okay, cool.
Assy.
What?
Assy.
Yeah, I guess. It's funny.
There's also a second one.
What's my middle name?
Oof, you have one? You have one.
Good. And we were just talking about yours earlier.
I was like, I've never heard of this name.
Yeah, I
How
don't
about
have a
Assy
name.
is her middle name?
And hers is, can I say it?
No, go.
It's jean. Like pants. But like denim pants.
Pantalones.
Jeans. Yes, pantalones.
I think you used to
What
call
is-
me that.
I did. I did, and you're like, what does that mean? Like,
I'm now bilingual.
your middle name. Yeah,
So I know
you're
Spanish
bilingual.
now.
After all the years of me talking to you in Spanish. Her favorite sentence is Baruca Barena. That's a phrase I would use to describe you. Baruca Barena.
That was I have a Snapchat video where we have screaming obnoxiously.
I can't, dude. Oh my god, that's good. Okay, we're gonna take a shot number 2. This looks like, yeah, let's count them. Shot
Wow,
number 2.
I am like warm already. Tequila.
Tequila.
Tequila
Tequila,
from
the
Peru.
bitch.
I salt first.
I never tried that. I should probably try that home.
Whoa.
Woo.
Hello.
I have no more lip balm or anything. Hello. Oh my god, you put anything black under my eye?
I don't have the best eyes, Cassie.
And me either. So we're screwed. Together we're screwed. Okay.
This is Koopa.
She named her.
My brother was thinking about having an Instagram for his hydroblast. Different places. I was like, I love that.
That is cute.
I want to do one for mine.
What's his name?
He has a new one. I forgot. I don't think he named the black one, but his old one was white. That was Orlando.
Wyatt?
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. Orlando.
What's the name? Yeah.
I think it's Wyatt. Oh, it was white.
It was white.
I think it was Wyatt.
That's a cute name.
That's racist that you just said it in Spanish because I would understand more because I'm
Showing my third language.
Okay,
Showing that
this one's a
my
good one, I
language.
think. List 3 items that I always have with me. You, Koopa is one. You always have Koopa with you. Weed. And your vape.
Yeah. You.
Do I know this bitch? You're not gonna get it right, I feel like.
Your ring.
Oh, hell the bitch. That's too easy.
I don't know. I feel like I carry hella
Yeah,
stuff,
you do.
so
You're
it's
like,
I don't
it's
think
easier.
you carry like a purse. Like when we
love
go to
purse is
the-
that small.
Yeah, like a tiny.
Yeah, I
she has
don't
like
have-
a tiny backpack.
I don't have signature things that I carry with
I
me all
don't
the time.
know, like your ID, your card, your ring.
Okay.
I don't think
What?
so.
You're not. That's true. I do carry those things with me all the time.
Cause
I don't
you're not like a big purse person.
I'm not a big like things person.
Bring stuff with me.
I don't like because I forget everything. So if I bring hella shit with me, I forget my purse everywhere. So if I bring hella shit like you like lug around your whole entire
I
life.
do. Kind of, yeah.
She comes in with like 5 bags of shit.
I do.
Leaves with 5 bags of shit.
Fucking bag lady.
Oh my god.
That's
It
hilarious.
says, what's my favorite food?
Yours
Wingstop.
wakes up.
I had a feeling you were gonna say that.
But we like when we first went to Wingstop, I remember we both ordered and we sat down and we're like, oh, we got the same thing. And we mixed it together.
Yeah.
I love the pepper and
And
cake.
cake
And we mixed it together. Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
Wingstop.
Yeah, we have a lot of fucking common, dude. Like a lot. But I think Wingstop for sure, but also Chipotle.
Yeah.
For me. Like
Yeah.
I fucking love Chipotle.
I used to eat Chipotle every day and I got sick of it.
Yeah, I don't think I can do that. I don't want to eat every day.
I think
want to
there's
say
like a salsa in there that it just throws me off now. I don't know which salsa
Really?
it is. Yeah. They
Don't
make
eat
it
them.
differently.
Don't eat it.
But Chipotle's good. Oxford, you Chipotle?
I don't know. These are all stupid. Let me see. What are my fears and biggest phobias? I guess what is your phobia?
You're scared of spiders?
Yeah.
Which is so weird to me.
What are you? I feel like you're yelling all the time. So what are you scared? I feel like you are like you always yelling at Hulk because he's always sniffing your ass.
Well, yeah,
I don't think that's a phobia,
he doesn't
though.
have my consent. I'm all about consent.
What are you scared of? What do you have phobia? Do you have phobia?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you know it, but
I do. I feel like I do, but I can't think of it.
I think yeah, you're scared of spiders.
Yeah. I think that's like the
What was it?
only-
Was it phobias?
Yeah, phobia.
That's what it was?
I think of bugs in general. Like bugs in general. Just
Are you
scare me.
scared of
Are you scared of
snakes?
rats? No, you're not scared of. I know. I'm scared of snakes. Yeah. I don't think you're scared. You're not scared of snakes. You have one in your house.
We have 3.
Yeah. See, no, you're definitely not scared of
I'm
snakes.
scared of cats.
Oh my god! Why didn't I fucking?
I know.
Why did I even think of that?
Because when you come through
Oh my god.
to your front door, you have that bush, and I get last time I came here, the first time there was a cat that ran in front of me.
There's always cats in front of my house. It's so annoying. 'Cause
See?
none of them
Oh
are
my
mine.
God.
None of them are.
Scared.
Why didn't I think of that? I knew that.
I know
fucking
you
knew
know that, 'cause you
I
think
get
it's
that
so
point
stupid.
because I knew that. I fucking knew that. I knew that
I
because
know
you
this-
always post it on Instagram.
That I hate cats.
No,
fuck
but
cats.
like you'll like post a picture of like a cat on your car.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I can't fucking leave because the cat.
I'll be late to lunch from lunch.
So what is my go-to beverage?
Sparkling waters.
You're like.
Water, Jameson, sparkling waters.
I feel like you're like the same, but also
Yeah.
you like those Starbucks coffees.
I don't like them. They
Well, you
just
drink
wake
it with
me
your-
up.
You
I
drink-
can. I mean, if I could do Coke every morning. I'm just kidding. Whatever.
Whatever, bitch.
But the Starbucks would be waking me the fuck up.
Really?
Like I'm just like.
I like peach
But
coffee
then
more.
I shake a lot.
No, yeah, you remember?
I'm tweaky as well.
Remember when we would get those was it Thai, the Vietnamese coffees?
Holy sandwiches!
I don't
These sandwiches.
Yeah, I don't care about their sandwiches though.
That's the place.
No, I know.
That's
That's what I'm just saying.
the place called. But yeah, Vietnamese coffee.
Yeah, all those remind me of Will.
Oh, that shit is cracking. Lee sandwich.
Yeah, Lee sandwiches. Their coffee is like legit straight up crack. You'd come back and you'd be like, and I'm like, dude, can you fucking relax? Like you would not relax at all.
I'm like shaky and shake a lot.
Where was I born? You don't know this. You obviously in LA. I don't know what part of LA to be honest.
Nicaragua.
Damn, Bird. I wish I was born in Nicaragua.
Pittsburgh?
Fuck no.
Let me guess again.
Okay.
I don't know.
Guess again. I don't know.
Yeah,
Bruh.
let me see.
Is my face gonna tell you? Okay, I can give you a hint.
Brentwood.
No.
Where?
Oh, you're not that far. You're never gonna guess it. I was born in Palo Alto.
Oh yeah, I would have never
See,
guessed
I
that.
know.
That's not even in my
I was
head.
gonna give you a guess. I was gonna give you
What was gonna be a
tip.
guess?
A tip was gonna be where the Niners play. It's the same county, Santa Clara.
Santa Rosa.
Santa
Oh,
Clara.
see, I don't even know where. What? I don't know my street names. I don't know.
That's not a
anything.
street.
I don't know my county.
It's a city.
I was not born in LA.
You weren't
No.
in Filipino? In the Philippines.
No.
Oh.
Nicaragua.
Well, that's why I'm saying Philippines, bitch, because you said Nicaragua. San Diego? No. Where were you
I
born?
was born in Vallejo.
Oh my god, I knew that! Chico was gonna be my next.
Chico. Why are these like
Same direction though.
all these
That was gonna be my next guess.
predominantly white areas?
Vallejo is not predominantly white. Oh, Chico? Is
No,
it
your
predominantly-
guesses.
Oh.
San Diego and Chico is.
San Diego's full of Hispanics as well, I feel. Who's the most likely to get fired from a job? Oh my god.
Okay, next.
Okay, next. Move on. There's no. Can you not, bruh?
Nothing to talk about here.
Can you not, dude? What is your favorite junk food? I feel like yours is like Wendy's or Taco Bell.
I hate Wendy's.
Okay, so Taco Bell?
No. What's
Popeyes?
junk-
McDonald's?
Oh, like fast food?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's just junk food.
Oh, fast food, yeah.
Fast food. My favorite. I used to I used to love little burgers from everywhere. I love Carl's Jr.'s, I would say.
Oh my god, I feel like I knew that
Oh,
too.
my mouth watered. They used to have this pineapple burger. And they took
With like
it
barbecue, with like teriyaki
away.
sauce?
Yeah. Fucking bitches. They took it away. Now I get the famous
I feel like
side.
Red Robin has one like that. You should check it out. Have you ever eaten
I'm
Red
not
Robin?
gonna go. Don't go to Red Robin's.
Why?
Where Colin works, there's mouses all around there.
Colin works at Red Robin?
No, he works at like Ecolab. I don't know. Let's not get into that.
Wait, there's mouses in which one?
In the Concord Mall.
Ew, bruh.
That's what he does.
disgusting.
He's like, you know, the hitman.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
That's what he does
Ew.
for Ecolab. Yeah.
And there was
He
some
said
there?
never eat at the mall.
At ew, no. I don't eat the food court, but I have eaten at that Red
I
Robin.
have too.
Ew.
He said Johnny Rockets was the worst. They made them close down and they opened. Don't put this in there.
But they're gone now. Johnny Rockets is gone.
Well, yeah, because they probably got fined or something.
That's
Because
disgusting.
they took
fucking
it down
gross.
and opened. Yeah.
And reopened.
Actually, Burger King. I love Whoppers.
Yeah, Whoppers are fucking good.
I don't know. I can't pick one.
I love Whoppers for breakfast. Have you ever had it for breakfast?
No.
I love lunch for breakfast. Like that's like my favorite. Like when I go to Taco Bell, I
I
always
like
get like.
breakfast for everything.
I love
You know,
breakfast.
yeah, you don't like breakfast. I love breakfast.
I don't like breakfast
Maybe
food.
you're not eating the best breakfast.
Yeah, I've
One
had.
day I'm gonna make you your breakfast.
Like what? What are you
But
doing? Tocino?
I'll be leaving hella early.
Rice, eggs, spam.
Bitch. Just wait.
What year was your friend born?
I don't fucking know about you.
I know. I think
You're like
you
1999.
were born
Or no, 2000.
87.
Wow.
87?
No.
Oh. 88?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I was
You
close.
were 2000.
Fuck you. I was not 2000. Do you know how old I am?
91?
No. Do you know how old I am?
95?
I'm 95.
1995?
No.
1997?
No.
I don't even know if that's
How
over.
old am I? How old am I first?
28?
Close.
27?
Yes.
Wow, you're so young.
Wow, I know. Well, I just told your year, so
Wow.
you can guess how old you are. So what year, bitch? If I'm 27 and you're 31, you're 31.
What is your birthday?
Are you 31 or 30?
32. You don't know, you do the math.
So you're gonna be 33?
I'm gonna be 32.
So you're not 32.
I'm 31 and a half.
Okay, you're 31 in like 2 seconds. You'll be 32. Okay,
Let's not
That's
talk
where
about our
you
age.
did it.
Cut this whole thing
you
out.
literally failed that one.
What was it?
93.
Oh, that's so close.
93.
I just picked the years my brothers are.
How old are you?
You're close to them. 91. I was born in
his sister's
91.
age.
Product of the dope game.
Hey, hey.
Say, no, Shout out to Larry.
Little June.
Seriously.
Who is most likely to get arrested? Both of us. We literally have been arrested for the same thing.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
Yeah,
But it was very traumatizing. I opener.
Yeah, I feel like you had a worse experience than I did.
Well, because I was scared.
Bitch, I was so
Oh, yeah,
fine.
you got out quick.
I got out in like 30
I was
minutes.
fucking there all night.
All night.
I remember calling Joseph.
But you didn't have to be bailed out, did you?
No.
They just let you out?
We were supposed to go to a weekend concert and I took the
I
concert.
know. So you never got to see the weekend ever?
I did see them, but
Oh, eventually?
yeah. That was. You fucking did that, bitch.
Forget it, bitch.
That was-
Forget it.
I don't believe that was your first time.
It wasn't first
That
time.
shit was.
I was scared. I feel like some of them were a little overcooked, but I think that's
I mean,
what you
why?
get because, well, I
Like,
heard,
is it chewy? Is it chewy?
yeah, I guess it's
I don't know. I think
chewier,
it was.
and like the skin is harder to peel off.
I think it all came off. It
The
all
one-
kind of like cut in the middle.
Yeah.
The
Well, some of them were good. Some of them like peeled off hella easily, but some of them like it was stuck on there. So I think some of them were a little cooked.
You're
But I feel like that's gonna happen.
criticizing yourself.
I am.
so much.
I am.
That was delicious.
You know, it's what I do. It's what I do. Let's take one more shot on camera.
You should,
and then we're done. What?
Just do YouTube videos of you cooking too. Like just
I know I should do cooking.
I feel like
huh?
you already do everything.
I really do. A little bit of fucking everything. Makeup, planting. Call me the, I don't know.
Quadruple threat. I don't know. That's not even
Quadruple
enough.
threats.
That's not even
Call me
enough.
the triple, no, not even.
That's not even triple.
Just call me,
You're
Medusa.
eclectic. You're eclectic.
eclectic. What's that mean?
Like, you can do it all.
You're so sweet.
I only know that because that was my cousin's rapper name once.
Can I be Mall for Cash?
You should start rapping.
Fuck no, I suck at
I
rapping.
need to know. I'm gonna do that.
I can sing if you want. Not that I'm like the best, but let's do it again. So it's up, down, center, in. So arriba, abajo, pa centro, pa dentro. Yay! I felt that was a successful video. All right, let me close it out before we get too flooded. That was shot 4. Are you feeling it?
I'm warm.
You have caca on this eye.
Leave it alone.
Okay. Okay. Oh, and my camera's dying too. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you, whoever made it to the end of the video. I appreciate it. Okay. Thank you for making it this far. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And leave a comment down below any future videos you want to see, any mukbangs, what you want us to eat.
Yeah, tell us
if you want to see
what
her
to
again
eat
on my
next.
channel, she's always down to eat food with me, so we could do Wingstop. That's like our favorite. So that
Yes,
would
you
be-
should do that.
Yeah, we should Wingstop, huh? Okay, so maybe you'll have a Wingstop coming from us soon. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye. I can't reach the camera.